Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss topic from social science, political and social life, role of the government in health. In India, government is functioning at different levels. Government is dealing with different function at each level. In India, we are having central government, state government and also the local government, and each government is functioning at its own level. According to the constitution, welfare of the people is the main function of the government. Welfare in the sense government is responsible to provide adequate facility in the field such as water supply, electricity, education, transport, health, etc. Constitution says that protection to life is the right of every individual, and since health is also the right of every individual. Let us discuss about health. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Health is not only about diseases, but some other factors are also responsible for it, such as clean drinking water, pollution, inadequate food, hygiene, sanitation, etc. Healthcare. Facility available to take care of the health is referred as healthcare. It includes health centers, hospitals, laboratories, ambulance services, blood bank, etc. To run such services, doctors, nurses, technicians, medicine, machinery, equipment, etc. are. Let's discuss about some health facility. Here is the CT scan centers, treatment unit, laboratory, lab technician, operation theatre, technician lab, ambulance services, MRI center, rural OPD. These are the some facilities of healthcare services. Healthcare facilities in India are divided into two groups, public and private. You can see here the first healthcare services, that is a public, which is run by the government. Next is a private. Manipal Hospital is a private hospital. So these are the pictures of hospital of public and private, which you can identify the two healthcare facilities in India. Public healthcare facilities. It is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government, that is SC health center. In each village there is a health center. PSC primary health centers, UPSC upgraded primary health center, district hospital. In our Goa there are two district hospital, one is at Mhapsa, Azilo, and at Margao, Aspisiu, and state hospital, that is in Goa it is a GMC. It covers both rural and urban areas. These services are called public because services are meant for the people, public. The resources needed to run these services are obtained from public fund. The most important aspect of public health system is to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost without any difference. This is the most important peculiarity of public healthcare services. It also takes action to prevent spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, cholera, chikungunya, etc. It also plays important role in national immunization program, and this is about public healthcare facilities available in India. Now we'll discuss about private healthcare facilities available in India. It spread to large extent in urban areas. See, private healthcare facilities or private facilities are available in urban areas rather than rural areas. It is owned or run by the private doctors or organization, whereas public is run by the government. In India, a large number of doctors run these private clinics with specialized services. All health services are in paid form. Patients have to pay a lot of money for every services, and hence it is called as a private healthcare services. It run for profit. The cost of these services is rather high and it is costly. So this is about private healthcare facilities available in India. Measures to provide adequate healthcare. Healthcare facilities should be available at all levels, that is from rural to urban. There should be equality in all sense while providing these services. There should not be any kind of differences or discrimination in providing facility of healthcare. Adequate food, safe drinking water, sanitation, pollution, etc. Such factors are given more importance at primary level, and at this it will maintain a good health of every individual. With this, we have completed the topic, the role of government in health. And if you have any difficulty, please call or message. Thank you.